Okay, so I'm testing the Foldable washing machine can be used for 12 liters of water. Forgive my shaking. I've been doing a lot of work around the house and a little shaky right now. And I chose to use it to wash a bathing suit that I had just purchased. Didn't want to wash it with my other clothes because it's a darker color. And I chose to do it on 5 minutes. And I ended up using dishing soap because of the fact that I used Tide Pods and I wasn't sure whether or not the Tide Pods, how to measure that out. Obviously, I got a little carried away with the dish soap, but it's handling it just fine. And I did it out in the garage just in case, and I am very, very pleased with it. There's always times when I have these little items that I need to wash that I don't want to do a whole load for. So quite pleased with it, and looking forward to being able to use this.